This is the medicinal chemistry of 6th semester. In this, the chapter antiprotozoal agents. Protozoa mainly refers to unicellular, heterotrophic, eukaryotic, and these are parasite protozoans and cause disease in human and animal also. Some pathogenic protozoans are Plasmodium falciparum, which cause malaria, Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma brucei, Giardia intestinalis, Leishmania species, Toxoplasm gondii. These are some pathogenic protozoans, and the protozoan Plasmodium parasite cause malaria, as I already told. Trypanosomiasis. This disease mainly caused by a parasitic protozoan of genus Trypanosoma, and in human, African trypanosomiasis and check disease are widely spread. African trypanosomiasis, also called as sleeping sickness, they occur regularly in some region of sub-Saharan Africa. They are classed under neglected tropical disease and caused by Trypanosoma brucei gambiensis or Trypanosoma brucei hodgkians, and these are basically transmitted by biting of an infected tsetse fly. The T is silent here, sorry, tsetse fly. Next is Chagas disease. These are also known as American trypanosomiasis, caused by Trypanosoma cruzi, transmitted by triatomine bugs or kissing bugs, usually through contact of a person with feces of an infected triatomine bug, and they may be transmitted through blood transfusion, organ transplantation, eating food contaminated with the parasite, and by vertical transmission. Triatomines are sanguivorous. They are sanguivorous in nature. Treatment of this trypanosomiasis are benzimidazole, basically checks disease, nifurtimox, they both are used for Chagas disease, and this also used for African trypanosomiasis. Melarsoprol, this is used for African trypanosomiasis. These are the structure of this antiprotozoal agents. Benzimidazole, they are orally administered nitroaromatic drugs. It has the log P value of 1.3 to 1.6. They are metabolized by this enzyme nitroreductase and human cytochrome P450 enzyme. Melarsoprol contain diethylsolanine, and its mechanism of action is it interferes with protozoan tryptophan synthesis and activity, and also interact with thiol group of parasite protein. Next drug is Eflornithine, they are also called as alpha difluoromethyl ornithine. This is also anti-trypanosomal drug and used for second stage of sleeping sickness, which are caused by this gambinus. The patient may be given as a racemic mixture of this eflornithine, but the levo-optical isomer is believed to be more biological active. Next drug is nifurtimox. This is the nitrofuran type anti-trypanosomal agent used for Chagas disease. The evidence from the study involving radio-labeled nifurtimox using murine and canine models suggests that the orally administered of this drug absorbs well from the GI tract. Next is the leishmaniasis. This is the name because of the species, because of the parasite Leishmania genus. These are spread by Sanguivora phlebotomine sandfly. Like African trypanosomiasis, they are also antidae. The common forms include cutaneous leishmaniasis or visceral leishmaniasis. Cutaneous because it causes under skin sores, and visceral leishmaniasis because it affects the internal organs such as liver. The treatment are amphotericin B, sodium stiboglucate, miltefosine. Miltefosine is alkyl phosphocholine lipid analog anti-leishmanial drug, and it is approved by FDA in 2014. Next one is trichomoniasis, and this infection is caused by parasite Trichomonas vaginalis, and it is STD caused by trichomoniasis, and it is treated by nitronidazole or metronidazole. Metronidazole is the prototype drug, and it is prodrug also for and it is useful for amoebiasis and giardiasis. This is the structure of metronidazole. Here we can see the imidazole ring, and it is attached with one methyl group and one nitro group, one ethanol group. Paromomycin and idoquinol are other drugs which are very best anti-leishmaniasis. Next infection is babiosis, and this disease caused by protozoa babesiosis parasite and transmitted by bite of infected Sanguivora tick. The blood transfusion is another way to become infected with this parasite. Two treatments here we can see atovaquone, which is the naftaquinone, with azithromycin, which is a macrolide antibiotic. Second one is clindamycin, which is a lincosome antibiotic, and in which is added with quinine, which is the antiplasmodial.